Now, today we're going to work on the pantry. Now, I need to do inventory and also to straighten it up some. Things got out of order during the holiday season. So I want to get in here and get it organized and see what all I need to purchase as far as stocking up the pantry. Now, I use an app on my phone called Out of Milk. Now, I'm going to show you that on the screen now. What I do with Out of Milk, I go in. Okay, so now on my phone with the app, at the top of the screen is a barcode. If you click on the barcode, you get your barcode screen. So this is, you see, this is carnation milk. So I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to scan the barcode. And there it is right there at the top. It appeared on my app. Oh, let me go back. Right there, carnation milk right at the top. So if anything I have in here that I don't have on my list, all I do is scan the barcode. Like my Mrs. Dash, that's empty. And it has it right there, Dash herbs on the top. So this helps me a lot in here, and it keeps me knowing what I'm out of. And like if it's any new item that I started purchasing, I want to scan it to keep it in my list. And it shows up on my list. So like I didn't have this on there, this Alfredo. So this Alfredo now is on my list. And then I have my broth. Everything else in here, I believe, is on my list. Oh, Pop-Tarts on. So I'm going to get to work scanning the new items. And that way they'll be on my list and I won't have to worry about if I missed anything when I went shopping. Okay, while doing my stalking and seeing what's missing, I'm out of dried black eyed peas and I got chicken broth. I need beef broth. I need some more soup. Now, my husband, sometimes he gets a little sick to the stomach and he eats soup, so I have soup I try to keep in here. So, oh, and I need to get some more chili. Because I try to keep chili in here, something quick and easy sometimes, especially now that it's cold. Chili, soup, and I need to get my chili, my mix to make stew to keep that on stock. I don't have any tomato paste or tomato sauce. So those are some things I need to get. Now I need to get and wipe off this counter. I do need to fill the flour because, ooh, this is sticky too. And that wasn't too much that was out of order, but there was some honey spilt in there that needed to come out. And like I said, I need to fill the flour container. Now, don't do the flour in here because it'll make a big mess. So I'm going to go out, fill it, and bring it back. Okay. Now, canned goods are in order. Everything is in its place. The sticky icky is gone. I'm happy with the results. I didn't have to do too much because this plan has been working for me since I set it up, and it helps me keep things in order. It's just that things got kind of messed up during the holidays because you add a lot of other things in here during the holidays that you normally don't buy. And so it kind of got me out of sync in here. But I'm glad to say it's clean and back in order. And as you see, I use my app to add on the things that I didn't have on my list. And so when I go grocery shopping, I know what to look for. And also, before I go grocery shopping, I always come in to take another inventory of anything that's low that I can make sure that I keep stocked up in my pantry. It's back in order, guys. I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope you feel inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfectly for you without breaking the bank. Now, don't forget you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I love to connect with you there, and I'll see you next time here on Creatively Miss Me.